Hey everyone, it's Mike here with How To Apps. Today I'm going to be showing you how to speed up Windows 10 performance. There's a few different methods, so we'll jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do is go down to our Start menu and search Control Panel. In our Control Panel, we're going to go ahead and choose Hardware and Sound. And from here, we're going to choose Power Options. Now you can see here it'll give us a couple options. Balance will automatically balance performance with energy consumption. However, if we choose High Performance, you can see that it favors performance, but it may use more energy. The next thing we can do is limit the amount of apps that start up when you turn on your computer. To do this, we will right-click on the taskbar at the bottom. We will choose Task Manager. And then in Task Manager, we will choose the Startup tab at the top. Here you can see a list of programs on your computer that want to start up when you turn your computer on. And you can go ahead and disable the ones that you do not need to start when you turn on your computer, because the more applications that you have running, the slower your computer will be. To disable the ones that you do not need, you will right-click on it and click on Disable. You can see here under the status column that it has changed from enabled to disabled. The next thing we're going to do is change our notification settings. We'll go down to our Start menu and press Settings. And on the settings screen, we will press System. On the left-hand side, we will press Notifications and Actions. On this screen, you have control of which notifications you would like to receive. Generally speaking, if you do not need the notification, you should turn it off, because if your system is having performance issues, notifications popping up randomly do not help the issue. The option that will help the most here is turning off the bottom one, which is Get Tips, Tricks, and Suggestions as you use Windows. From this settings screen, we can also go into the Storage tab on the left-hand side, and we will turn on Storage Sense. And what that will do is automatically free up space by getting rid of files that you do not need, such as temporary files and content in your recycling bin after it's been there for a certain amount of time. You can also click on Configure Storage Sense, and from here you'll be able to fine-tune the settings and choose when it deletes temporary files. The next thing we can do is turn off shadows and a few other appearance options that we may not need that might be slowing our computer down. We'll go down to our Start menu and type in Run, R-U-N, and press Enter. From here, we will type in sysdm.cpl and press Enter again. This will bring up our system properties. From here, we're going to go to the Advanced tab, and then under Performance, we are going to press Settings. Here you will be presented with a bunch of options. We're looking for Show Shadows under Windows and Show Shadows under Mouse Pointer, and we were going to turn them off. Also at the top, you can notice there is a few preset profiles. One of them is Adjust for Best Performance. If you are not somebody that likes to manually tweak things, you can just press Adjust for Best Performance and then simply press Apply. The next thing we're going to do is turn off the transparency. So we will go back to our Start menu and we will press Settings. On the Settings screen, we're going to press Personalization, and then we are going to choose the Color tab on the left. On the Colors tab, we will scroll down until we see Transparency Effects and turn it off. The next thing we can do to speed up our computer is to see if our storage drive needs to be defragmented. We'll go down to our Start menu, we will type defrag, and we will click on the first option that comes up, which is defragment and optimize drives. On the optimize drive screen, you will see a list of your drives, and you will also see their status on the right-hand column. You can see here that my OS drive is showing OK, and it was 16 days ago that it was retrimmed. You can see here for the drive in the middle that optimization is not available. If it gives you that message, then you cannot optimize that drive. However, if it said something like needs optimization, like the one at the bottom, you would highlight the drive that needs optimization and then press optimize. Additionally, at the bottom, you can schedule when you want your computer to do this automatically. You can see that I have mine set to do it weekly. If your scheduled optimization was set to off, to turn it on, you would press change settings. From here, you want to make sure run on a schedule is checked off. And then under frequency, you can choose daily, weekly, or monthly. From here, you just choose the frequency that you would like and then press OK at the bottom. Now you can see that my frequency has changed from weekly to monthly due to the selection. And then one last thing we can do is go down to our Start menu, press the Power option, and press Restart. If you are somebody that likes to put their computer to sleep or somebody that likes to use the Hibernate feature, That is not the same as restarting your computer, and you will notice it will start to get slower and slower in between full restarts. And that's it. Those are some options you can do to speed up Windows 10 performance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos.